In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a date hierarchy in Power BI. A date hierarchy is a simple but powerful way to analyze your data across different time levels, like year, quarter, month, and day, so you can drill into trends and roll them back up without extra work. If you've ever wanted your charts to smoothly move from a yearly overview down to specific days, this is exactly what you need. To get started, look to the data pane on the right side of Power BI desktop and find the table that contains your date field. Click the date column to select it, so Power BI knows which field you want to use. Now, right-click that same date field and choose Create Hierarchy. And there you go. Power BI will instantly build a ready-to-use hierarchy for you. This works because Power BI understands date-typed columns and automatically structures them into logical levels. As long as your column is actually formatted as a date, the hierarchy will be created without any extra configuration. If you don't see the Create Hierarchy option, or the result isn't what you expect, it usually means the column isn't recognized as a true date. In that case, confirm that your data type is set to date in your model. Once it's a proper date, the hierarchy will generate correctly. After it's created, you'll see the hierarchy in the data pane beneath your original date field. It will include the standard levels you'd expect, giving you a clear pathway to move up and down the time scale in your visuals. This makes it much easier to build reports where users can explore performance over years and then naturally zoom into quarters, months, and specific days, all using the same field. A quick tip: Power BI does have an auto date/time feature behind the scenes, but creating an explicit hierarchy on your date column gives you a clean, reusable structure that's visible in your model. It also helps keep your field list organized and your intentions clear, especially when you're collaborating or building larger reports. And that's all there is to it. Select your date column in the data pane, right-click to create the hierarchy, and let Power BI do the heavy lifting. With the date format set correctly, the hierarchy appears automatically and is ready to use across your visuals. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the smoother, more insightful time-based analysis this brings to your reports.